We have lived in our home for over a year now, so we've got to know it pretty well. We love our 70s house and its retro features, but there are some issues that we can't live with anymore. One of those is no ventilation through the house, which means a lot of moisture and mould.
And this is where HRV's Home Ventilation System came to the rescue. The installation team arrived one morning, talked through their plan and got stuck into it.
After unloading the ventilation system, they started unboxing and assembling the parts.
We're placing a vent in each bedroom and living space, 8 in total.
They worked out the best position for each vent, where the control panel would go, and once we agreed on these, they cleanly cut the holes and installed the vents.
Then it was into the attic to get the HRV Airsense Ventilation System installed.
The right spot was found to hang the fans for effective airflow to each room.
The ducting was run from each room vent and connected to the backbone, all being joined carefully so the system will draw the dry air from our roof cavity through the filters and down into our home.
Meanwhile, the electrician was arranging the power supply to the fans, installing the control panel, and making sure the system was connected and working.
The team ran some airflow tests to ensure everything was working properly, cleaned up, and gave us a run through on how the control panel works.
We hope the condensation will be gone overnight.
And we can't wait to see and feel the results of our new HRV home ventilation system.